This section will cover retraining in BigQuery ML. So how do you retrain BigQuery ML models? When a model was retrained in Vertex AI, we know how that process can be automated seamlessly, but what about with BigQuery ML? Well, it can still be automated, but it takes a couple of more steps to set up. Let's walk through an example of this. Let's say that we have developed a model in BigQuery and then we deployed it to production by exporting it to cloud storage and then setting up a Vertex AI endpoint with the model that we just created. In order to automatically trigger retraining, what we do is on that endpoint, we would set up Vertex AI model monitoring as usual, detecting when performance starts to degrade through drift or skew. And then when the monitoring system detects that model performance has declined beyond acceptable thresholds, we would have it trigger an alert. This alert can then send a message to PubSub. As we have talked about before, PubSub can be a trigger for Cloud Run functions. So we can do that here. The PubSub message triggers a Cloud Run function, and this function can contain our script to start retraining in BigQuery. Retraining would use the create or replace model statement in BigQuery again, using the latest available data to train a fresh version of the model. And since BigQuery ML handles the heavy lifting of the training process, your retraining script can be relatively simple. It's essentially the same thing that you ran in the beginning. So once the new model is trained in BigQuery, then the whole process can start over again. So remember this for the exam. It could show up in some questions.